Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Porsche Macan S all-wheel drive. It features the 3-liter twin-turbo V6, the 7-speed PDK auto, and is painted in white with Luxor beige leather interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So let's take a look here. There's your trunk lid, and then we have the privacy security shade there. Down below we have the nice storing capacity for the trunk here. We can see we have the Porsche all-weather liners for the front here. I'll lift this up here so you can see we have the Porsche spare there, and we have the Bose sound box in the trunk here with the surround sound. Just fix this here. There we are, and the seats do fold down flat in case you want more storage. We'll push this button here. It is a power lift gate. You can see it closed there. We'll zoom out so we can see the roof. We get the full panoramic roof there. We have the black spoiler back here. Coming back here with the LED taillights. Porsche with the Macan S script in the back there in chrome. And then coming back here, you can see we have the dual exhaust with the quad tips. All right, we'll spin it around. We'll check out the wheels next. All right, we have these great looking 5-spoke, open spoke, silver aluminum wheel with the Porsche crest in the center there. It's mounted on brand new Hankook tires all the way around. We have a rear tire size of a 255 50 R19 in the rear here. 4-wheel disc brakes with the silver calipers. Check out the front here. You can see the brakes are larger in the front, and those calipers do say Porsche on them. All right, we'll check out the interior next. So we got this beautiful Luxor beige interior. You can see the black portion is the top portion is black, and we get this beautiful walnut trim here with a nice finish on top and the metal power windows. We have the Bose sound system. I'll show you up here. We have the full panoramic roof. Here's your front seats from the rear. Great looking seats. And we'll just check out the console here. So we got the HVAC, heated seats in the rear, and you got the USB ports there. Carpeted floor mats. Let's scan the seat here. Beautiful leather seats. Very comfortable. 3 headrests. I'll pull this down here. We do have an armrest now with 2 cup holders there. Closing this door here. Let's make our way to the front door. So we do have a blind spot monitoring here. Again, that beautiful walnut trim. We get the memory package for the passenger, power locks and windows. And again, the Bose sound system. Dash over here, we get the black as a top portion. There's your clock. We've got the walnut trim continuing, and then the beige down here. Here's your glove box. Door jambs here, nice and tidy. Your Macan S kick plate down there. Porsche carpeted floor mats. We do have the 14-way power seats with the seat extenders there. Let's scan the seat here. So beautiful leather seat, very comfortable, great leather. We'll zoom out here so you can see that panoramic roof from that angle. Closing that door, we'll start back here. Again, the black spoiler there. There's your panoramic roof. We got the nice body colored side mirrors with the signals built in and sporty mount. Body colored door handles, as you can see here. There's your tires there. We got the body colored side blades down below. There's your wheels. We got the LED headlights up front here, LED fog lights, and then we'll check in underneath the hood here. So there's your hood liner, and then here is your engine. So the power plant is a 3-liter twin turbo V6 producing 340 horsepower. It's paired to the 7-speed automatic PDK dual clutch transmission. We'll go ahead and close the hood. We'll check out the paint here. So you can see the beautiful white paint And just so you know, we have not polished this vehicle yet, so we'll do a 5-stage polish on this vehicle before it goes out. As far as marks, there was a few little touch-up spots. I see one there. So you're gonna see a little bit touch-up spots, but nothing major. Still very presentable. Check out the wheels over here. And the last wheel here. Again, your door panel. And the seats back here. All right, close that door. Again, the blind spot monitoring there. We got the memory package for the driver, power locks, power windows, power folding mirrors, and then a trunk release there. Show you the dash again on this side here, looking great. And then here's your door jambs, nice and tidy. Your Macon S kick plate there. Pedals down there, carpeted mat. And again, the 14-way seats. There we are. We'll hop in the vehicle now. Over here we got your dash stimulate, or sorry, your HVAC vents there. Here's your headlight controls, and here's your start button. So we'll go ahead and start it up. There it is. Sounds great on start up. Down here we got manual tilt, or sorry, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Here's your turn signals. We got paddle shifters on both sides, so upshift, downshift. We have your communications there, and then over here we have your cruise control back there. Here's your windshield wiper controls there, and we'll zoom out. We can check out that wheel. So we got the nice, beautiful walnut trim up here with the nice leather down here, nice and shaped for your fingers. And you can see that beautiful Porsche wheel with the Porsche crest in the center here. Okay, over here we have analog gauges here. 48,118 kilometers on the vehicle, some very low kilometers. So we got a flashing light. We just put the tires on, so we'll make sure we check that out, but I'm sure that it's just a sensor right now. Here's your visors. We got the LED lights here and your panoramic roof. It does have the power shade as well. We'll just put that up. There's your mirror, and then here's your nice clock right in the center, very elegant. Then we have a nice touchscreen here. Got your buttons down here, so tuner, media. We do have factory nav as well. There's your map, source, phone control. Here's your car displays there, and your home here, so we can see we have the phone, nav, your apps, and then we do have a 6-disc or a CD changer down here. I think it's just a single. And then down here we have your automatic transmission controller there. Here we have dual zone climate control. Here's your temperature controls, and here's your ventilated and heated seats. Sport button there, and you can see all the controls on this side as well. Here we have the 12-volt socket with the ashtray. Put that up. Nice Macon badge here. 2 cup holders there. Here's your console. I'll open that up. Put my hand in there. You can see the depth of it. And we'll open up the door now. We'll get these headlights on, and let's give it a few revs. All right, you hear the powers right there, 340 horsepower. Let's make our way to the front here. Show you those headlights here. So there's the overall view of the vehicle with the lights on, everything closed up. There's your panoramic roof up there, opened up. Swing it around, we'll check out those LED tail lights here. Alright, so here we have it. This is a 2017 Porsche Macan S all-wheel drive. 3-liter twin-turbo V6, the PDK transmission with the white on Luxor beige leather interior. This is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.